Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device and account, power the camera, sign into the app, and verify it's on the same Wi-Fi. Once done, archive any important cloud clips or note retention durations so nothing is lost. Next, find the hardware reset point, either a visible button or a pinhole, because you'll use it in a moment. Make sure you have the app open and logged in. That connection lets you follow on-screen prompts immediately after the hardware reset. You now perform the reset itself. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the LED shows the device is rebooting or blinking. This triggers a factory-style reinitialization. Then open the app and follow the device discovery or re-add flow. The camera will appear as a new device. Re-enter your network credentials and confirm the cloud storage account link so recordings resume to the correct account. Keep the phone near the camera during this handshake to avoid timeouts. You finish by checking functionality. Open Live View, trigger a motion test, and confirm cloud backup status in the app. This proves the reset and account link worked. Once confirmed, update firmware if available and tune retention, motion sensitivity, and notification preferences so performance matches your needs. If the camera stays offline, power cycle the router and camera, then retry the reset. Make sure WPA2/WPA3 credentials match, and disable VPN.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.